What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Well For You. Today I'm reviewing Vinia, specifically their blood flow hydration product, which come in these sticks. I got the watermelon flavor. I'm going to share with you how the product works, my personal experience, and what I like and dislike about the product. So the main component of the brand Vinia is their piceid resveratrol, which is a different form of resveratrol that is specifically formed to basically take shape or form within your gut. As opposed to taking straight resveratrol, it's a resveratrol that is sort of delayed, if you will, in its absorption, and it's just a different form, and it allows your body to absorb a higher form, or a higher amount, of that resveratrol. So we all know the benefits of resveratrol. It's good, really powerful antioxidant, good for blood health, good for cardiovascular health, heart health, things like that. So I got this specifically to see how it would impact my circulation and just my heart health overall. I already take a supplement for nitric oxide levels and boosting nitric oxide, which I think that is a great idea for pretty much everyone, because nitric oxide is the gaseous molecule that enhances your microcirculation and helps support your blood flow to keep your blood moving. So what Vinia does is it helps with your nitric oxide, the flow of that nitric oxide, which is a good thing, but then it also lowers something called EHT1. EHT1 is a peptide, but it's not a good peptide. Most people think, oh, peptides, great. Well, there are peptides that, when elevated, actually damage your health, and this is one of those peptides. So EHT1 is it's a vascular constriction peptide. So it actually reduces, I believe it constricts your arteries, and it restricts the blood flow to and from your heart, which is not a good thing, obviously, as you want your blood to and from your heart to flow with ease and to reach your entire body all the way to your extremities, your hands, your toes, your feet, things like that. So I'll tell you what I liked and what I didn't like about Vinia in my personal experience. It tastes very sweet, which is because I believe it has like 4 grams of sugar per stick. Yep, 4 grams. So 4 grams of sugar per stick, and this little stick here, so it's very sweet. So personally, I am not a huge sweet tooth person, and let me explain the reason for that. So just before you gotta understand the reason. The reasoning is that sugar actually helps the absorption of the piceid resveratrol. That's actually sort of a cofactor that is necessary. So that's a part of it. So if you're someone that is not looking for anything with sugar, this supplement probably isn't for you. With that being said, I personally take this right before my workout because it's Vinia, so it's for blood flow and hydration, but then it's the hydration which also has electrolytes like coconut water, powder, sea salt, and glycine, marine magnesium, and obviously the red grape Vinia powder and stevia. So that's basically the formula right there. So getting those electrolytes in with the heart cardiovascular nitric oxide boosting elements in is beneficial right before a workout. And the reason I do it also is because those 4 grams of sugar, I don't want to just take 4 grams of sugar, especially in a liquid form, and just sit there. I want to move and actually burn that sugar into my muscles. I want that sugar to go into my muscles and fuel my muscles. So I personally take this right before I go to the gym. It's the best timing if you're going to utilize it, right before the gym or right before any workout, whether it's like cardiovascular, cardio or weightlifting or whatever it may be. So I like that it boosts your nitric oxide levels, which I have personally experienced. I believe it's boosted my nitric oxide levels and lowered EHT1, and here's why. I take another cardiovascular health supplement for nitric oxide levels, and for whatever reason, I've just had some kind of like stress on my arteries and heart lately, and I was like, okay, maybe it's my EHT1 levels. I don't know. I didn't even know what that peptide was until I discovered Vinia, which is once again a bad peptide because it creates constriction on your blood flow to and from your heart, specifically, I believe, in your arteries. So I started taking it, and ever since then, I really haven't had that with my heart. And I'm like, well, that's a good sign. And then another thing that I noticed was I was waking up in the morning and my eyes were just really dry, and I felt like some bags under my eyes, more common than I had normally had. So I think I noticed in the gym even my mouth would get dry. And by the way, I drink reverse osmosis water, which you've got to be careful with, but then I add minerals, okay? So, taking the reverse osmosis water and then adding minerals, should be good, but if I'm drinking too much reverse osmosis water and not adding enough minerals, that could be bad also. So I noticed I was getting a little bit dehydrated at the gym because my mouth had like that cotton mouth. And so I started waking up in the mornings and I have like dry eyes, like really dry eyes. and kind of like bags under my eyes. And once I started taking Vinia, I noticed that the sort of heart stress that I had, or the like constriction, if you will, reduced, and I don't really feel it anymore. And I noticed that my eyes weren't as dry in the morning. So it seems like I'm better hydrated, and blood flow to my eyes, or the region around my eyes, is also improving. So I noticed a few different things. Also, I noticed in the gym, when I take it right before I go to the gym, I think it's the Vinia, but also the sugar and electrolytes. It's really all three, because the Vinia is for nitric oxide higher, and then the EHT1 peptide lower. So it helps your circulation, and then you get the electrolytes from the coconut water and sea salt, and then you get the magnesium as well, potassium, things like that in the coconut water. So getting these electrolytes is really good for muscle contraction and hydration, and then the blood flow. So I really like it pre-workout, and then the sugar just gives you sugar that goes right into your muscles when you're contracting your muscles. So between the sugar, the red grape, piceid, resveratrol, and then the electrolytes from coconut water and sea salt and marine magnesium, and they have glycine in here too, I believe. I think so. I thought I saw glycine, maybe not. Yeah, they do. So that helps absorption as well. So I do think it's really great before the gym, and that's when I personally recommend it. However, I will say this. I wish they would use like an organic coconut sugar. I don't know if it'd work the same, or a maple sugar, or something that wasn't cane sugar, because they use organic, and it is organic, so that's a good thing to use organic cane sugar. But I'd prefer a more nutrient-dense sugar with less of a glycemic index, or less of a glycemic spike. But I don't know if the formula would work the same, so I'm really not sure. And to be honest with you, it's a little too sweet for me. I don't like how sweet it is, but apparently the sugar is necessary for the piceid resveratrol to actually absorb. So I understand that aspect of the formula, but if you have like candida, a yeast infection, parasites, bugs, anything in your body or anything in your gut, and you're looking to avoid sugar, you should probably hold off on this supplement and save it for later. But with that being said, it's a great supplement. I have noticed, like I said, better cardiovascular health. Oh, and I'm actually lifting heavier in the gym now. I think I could do that without this, but I think this has given me a little bit of a boost. So like 5 more pounds in the chest press, just a little, doing more variations in single leg movement patterns that I'm using at a higher weight than before. So I think it's helping with that a little bit too, just because it's getting in my system, better blood flow, better circulation, better hydration, so I can kind of push it a little bit more in the gym. So I do like that aspect of it. But with that being said, I will link up Vinia below. I think it's a really intelligent formula. Once again, really the downside for me is the sugar, which is something I don't know if I can stand all the time, because I don't want to constantly drink liquid sugar. But if you're doing it for a short period of time, just to support your cardiovascular health, hydrate and improve your circulation, arterial health, cardiovascular health, heart health, these types of things, increase your nitric oxide levels, reduce EHT1 levels, it could be a really good thing to sort of do on and off, which is probably how I'm going to use it, to be honest. I'll probably use it for a month or a couple weeks at a time, take a couple weeks or a month off, and then go back on it, and kind of just cycle it on and off, because I don't want to stay on sugar-based supplements all the time, but it is a really great formula. So with that being said, I'll link it up below, along with any discount codes. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach, visit healthywildfree.com/shop below in the comment section. And that will give you a list to a bunch of different brands, supplements, superfoods, barefoot minimalist shoes, health and wellness technology, and so much more. And subscribe to the channel, leave your questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.